Oh hi, welcome to NPL, the National Physical Laboratory. I want to tell you about the SI, the International System of Units. Now, we don't have much time, so come on. It's all about measurement. Measurement is at the heart of science and engineering. Measurement's a very simple idea. It's where you compare an unknown thing with a standard. And in the SI, there are 7 standard things called the base units. And I want to introduce you to the staff who are responsible for them. Come on. Let's go and talk to my colleague Rachel Godin. She's just down here. Wow, it's so complicated.
It's really not that bad, and I think at the Royal Society stand we're going to be explaining a lot more about how this works and how atomic clocks can be incredibly accurate.
What is it that makes them so accurate?
Well, every clock needs something that ticks at a really regular rate just to keep the time, to make sure your clock's not running too fast or too slow. And so for our atomic clocks, we've got a wave of a light, in this case, that's ticking, if you like, the waves of light at a really regular rate.
Oh, wow. And
so we can tune that frequency, into an atom to make sure that it's always a constant rate.
Wow, I really look forward to that, but we've run out of time.
Oh no!
Come in and meet my colleague Stuart Davidson, who's in charge of the kilogram. Hi Stuart.
Hello Michael.
Wow, what on earth have you got here?
So this is our kibble balance. This is what we're going to use to realise the kilogram after 2019 when the SI is redefined.
We're going to replace the standard kilogram.
Replace this, an artefact-based definition, with this definition traceable to fundamental constant.
And I've heard we're going to have one of these on the stand at the Royal Society, is that right?
We certainly will, yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Stuart. In fact, we just don't have time for me to introduce you to the staff responsible for the other 5 SI-based units. But at the Royal Society Summer Science Exhibition, we will have stands where you can meet the staff and carry out demonstration experiments for all 7 of the SI-based units. The kilogram, the meter, ampere, mole, candela, second and Kelvin. And together they make the measure of all things.